Hello guys. So today we will see OAuth 2.0 in Azure API management. So we'll see how to configure OAuth 2.0 for API management, and also we'll see one scenario. Let's say you have multiple APIs in your one API management, and to some API you want to authorize with one OAuth 2.0 registration, and others API you want to authorize through different OAuth 2.0 authorization. So we'll create in this demo a two OAuth 2.0, and also we'll see if there are multiple APIs, how we are going to configure uh, multiple OAuth for different kind of APIs in API management. So let's get started, and we'll see how we can do this. So first of all, what you have to do is log into Azure portal and go to Azure Active Directory. So what you can do is go to Azure Active Directory, and then just a second, it says the session expired. So refresh it. Okay, there you go. So once you log to the default directory section, you need to go to app registration, and in this app registration, just register one app like I have already did. So what you can do is you can go to new registration, and fill out the name of this, and select the single tenant application, and leave others blank, and just say register. So you will get this kind of app created with client ID and all those stuff. So once you get inside the app creation, what you have to do is go to certificate and secrets, and generate a new secrets for you. So like I have already did. Okay, and one more thing you have to do, you have to go to authentication, and in this you have to select either you can select both, or anyone you can select access token based authentication or ID token based authentication. And after selecting, just click on save button like I have already did. So I'm just showing that how we can do this. Okay, so once your app is registered, now what you have to do is you have to go to the API management. So how you can find it, go to all services or create a new resource, and search for API management. So you will get the API management. So open the API management like I have already created. So what you can do is you can click on add, and once the form appears, you just have to fill some details on that. So your API management will be ready to use. Like this, the form will appear. So you have to fill this form out, and you have to say the create. So your API management service will create. So like I have already did, so let's discard it and open my the already created API management. Okay, so once you open this API management, right, what you can do is now you can go to OAuth 2.0. Select it. So here I have already created two OAuth, and even I can create a multiple. So just for this demo I have just created two. So how you can create this, you have to select this add button, and in this add button you have to give the display name and the ID. So what this ID is, Azure resource name. So let's say I'm saying test OAuth. So automatically creates the ID for you, and it will also validate if it is exist or not. You can give the description, whatever you want to give. And here what you have to do is you have to select the authorization grant types. But before going there, you have to see this, right? Client registration page URL. So here you can give your client registration URL, or you can give it like http colon double slash localhost, or your client registration page URL. So for this demo, I'm just giving it a localhost, and you have to select the grant types. Any grant types or multiple grant types, whatever you want to select, you can select. Next, it is asking the required field is authorization endpoint. So how you can get the authorization endpoint for OAuth. So what you can do is go there, not there. Okay, let me open a new tab. Go to Azure Active Directory. Now go to app registration. Open your app, and here you can see the endpoints. Now you can find is 2.0 authorization endpoint and 2.0 token endpoint. So you have to copy this authorization endpoint first, and put it here in the authorization endpoint URL, and then copy the authorization endpoint token endpoint 2 from this, and paste it here in this token endpoint URL. Now again it will ask for the client ID and the client secret. So for this app, this would be your client ID, and the client secret you can get it from there. The certificate and secrets, the secrets that you have created, you have to just copy it and paste it here. That's it. So your first OAuth will be created here, right? Likewise, what you can do is you can create a new one, and you can go to your default directory, create a new directory for this, for the second OAuth. Okay, follow the same steps and copy everything in this second form and put it there. So in this way you can create multiple OAuth service here. All right, now once your OAuth is ready, what you have to do is you have to configure your OAuth for APIs, for which API you want to use for user A and for user B. So let's say you have two APIs. So one API you want to consume via this user A OAuth, and the second API you want to consume via this for user B OAuth. So how you can do this? Go to the APIs, this API management tool. Let's say I have added one API here. So how you can configure this? I'm just showing that, right? So in this, you can say I have added one get method. Okay. So in this get method, now what you can do is go to settings, scroll down a bit. Okay, and scroll it down. Now you can see here the security. Okay, so default it will be selected as none. You have to select OAuth 2.0. So once you select the OAuth 2.0, you can find out a drop down there, and what you can do is you can select a OAuth. So what does it mean is for this API, this method, I'm using this OAuth 2.0 for user A as an authorization service. So likewise, if you can add a new API here, new method here, you can configure your OAuth service for each and individual API and your API methods, and you can save it. That's it, guys. So this is all I wanted to show you, uh, how you can configure your APIs and API methods with a different OAuth service. That's it. Thank you so much for your time. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.